Hey, Michael, over at AAA Modern Air. This is Fernando from the site Digital Marketing Agency, calling or sending you a video about your website and your competitors' websites. Anyway, let me get on with it. I'm going to be talking about three things today. I'm going to be talking about content, citations, and backlinks. And those are the three main things that Google looks like to rank web pages on the internet. And as you can see, this is your website up front here, and this is the content you have on your website. Here's what Google looks for: text, because in this text they search for keywords, which is what they use to rank you when people search using keywords in their search windows. So you have some content, but probably not enough. I would say you need to add some text to your home page. And you probably maybe have 1,000 words in there. You should probably put at least 1,500 or 2,000 words of text on your website homepage. If you look at a competitor's website, let's take a look at one of the top competitors that ranks highly on Google, and you can see that this is their homepage, and they have a good amount of text, a lot of scrolling. All these words are opportunities for keywords to be placed in there, and all of these buttons that you see that people can open things up also have keywords in them. So when you scroll the entire front page, you end up with a fair amount of words that Google can use to rank the page. So let me show you what Google does with its searches. At the top here you have the ads, which are good, but generally speaking very expensive, and at the end of the day you probably don't get your money's worth because a lot of people don't click on these, and some web browsers actually block out ads, so you may not even have the opportunity. The second part of the Google search page is the map section, or called the map pack, and these three top picks here are placed here by the other term we were going to discuss, citations. Citations are literally your name, address, and phone number placed on different websites on the internet, and so Google sees that as a sought after or positive thing. If you're listed on many websites, then they see you as a trusted source of plumbing services, so they will rank you higher. So these probably have a large number of citations or listings on directories across the internet, and you can get those just by going around and either purchasing or just signing up for them. These are the listings, and again, this is a search for plumber Fort Lauderdale. There's many different ways of doing this, but generally speaking, the people that rank for one rank highly for other similar terms. These are the organic results, and this is the first position of the organic result for this search term, and they're probably more due to backlinks, and backlinks are links on other web pages on the internet that get you back to your page. So if another website puts a link to your website on their website, it usually indicates to Google that they trust you, and so that means that Google will trust you. And the more of those backlinks you have out there, especially if they're related to your industry, then Google will rank you higher based on that, because they see that as a trust factor, and they'll give your website more power. And at the bottom here you're going to find more ads. So moving on to the analysis tool we use called RFs of your website, you'll see that Google, RFs uses different numbers to rank you. This is the backlink section. Here they're referring domains. These are the domains that actually have backlinks, that send backlinks to your page. And you have 2, which is, it's not a great number, and when you compare it to your competitors, which I will in a minute, you'll see that it's probably better to get those numbers up if possible. So those 2 referring domains and the searches will give you 4 organic keywords, and those organic keyword searches are sending 2 people a month to your website or finding you on the internet, which isn't a lot, and you can probably raise that up quite a bit by increasing the different backlinks that will cause people to come to your website. On the other hand, if you look at the same page for your competitor, you'll see that they will have a much higher number over here and a much higher number of backlinks, which comes from a much higher number of referring domains than your site does. So all of these backlinks allow them to generate traffic. Here are the organic keywords that they are being ranked for on Google, and these keywords come from their website and that added text that I told you they have on their website with the keywords inside the text, so that when people search them, they'll find the text and Google will rank them higher than you. So they're getting 626 organic leads to their business website as a result of these backlinks, and also the citations they have on their website. So anyway, this is a rundown of things you could do to help your website rank higher on Google. And if you need any help with that, or if you want any more questions answered, feel free to call me. Again, my name is Fernando at the Site Digital Marketing Agency, and my number is 561-945-6779. And if you could please give me a little feedback on this video in the email, either call or email me, I would appreciate it. Thank you.